In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view YouTube watch history on an iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Once it is done, we need to tap right here at the bottom right corner where it says You, or maybe in your case it says Library. Just tap on it and you will be taken to your YouTube channel, where towards the top of the screen you can easily find the history. And to view all the history, just tap at that View All button. What that will do, that will show you your watch history on YouTube. Now it shows me my watch history for today, and if we scroll down, it will show us history for previous days. And then if we would like to remove some video from the watch history, we can tap at three dots next to it and then tap at Remove from Watch History, and that will immediately remove it from that list. If you would like to clear multiple videos at once, or you would like to clear your entire watch history, you need to tap right here at these three dots, select Clear All Watch History. It says that your YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices, and also your video recommendations will be reset but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. To continue, tap at Clear Watch History. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.